Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to activate gesture control in your BMW. First, ensure your vehicle is equipped with this feature. Gesture control allows for intuitive interaction with your infotainment system using simple hand movements. We will guide you through the iDrive menus to enable and customize this convenient function, making your driving experience more connected and enjoyable. This process is straightforward and enhances your vehicle's advanced capabilities. To begin, navigate to the main iDrive menu. Use the controller to select the car option, which typically leads to vehicle-specific functions. From there, choose Settings to access a range of customization possibilities. Finally, look for General Settings to find the core system configurations where gesture control can be enabled. Once in General Settings, scroll through the options until you find Gesture Control. Select this feature and then simply toggle it to the On position. A confirmation prompt may appear. Accept it to save your changes. This step fully activates the system, preparing it for your personalized gesture commands. With Gesture Control active, you can now explore and customize its functions. The system allows you to assign specific actions to various hand movements, such as adjusting the volume or skipping tracks. Practice these gestures to become familiar with them. You can also fine-tune the sensitivity settings for optimal responsiveness, ensuring a seamless experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.